In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print from Canva. If you've already finished your design and you're ready to turn it into a physical copy, Canva makes the process very simple. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to start the print process directly from your design and what to expect along the way, so you can print confidently without missing anything important. To begin, open your design in Canva. Make sure you're on the design you actually want to print, because everything starts from there. It's always a good idea to quickly review your layout before printing, especially if your design includes images, text, or multiple pages. That way you can avoid wasting paper or ink on something that still needs changes. Once your design is open, go to the top left corner of the Canva editor and click File. This menu gives you access to several options related to your project, and the one you need for this process is the Print option. After opening the File menu, hover over Print in the drop-down. This will reveal the available printing choices. At this stage, Canva typically gives you different ways to print your design. You can either print it yourself using your own printer, or choose Canva's printing service if that option is available for your project. For this example, select Use My Printer. This option is ideal if you want to print right away from your computer without placing an external print order. It's quick, convenient, and useful when you need a draft or final copy immediately. After you choose that option, Canva may need a moment to prepare your file. If that happens, you'll likely see a progress bar appear in the bottom right corner of the screen. Just wait for it to finish. This step is normal, and it helps ensure that your design is properly formatted for printing. Once Canva finishes preparing the file, your print dialog box should open automatically. This is where you can configure your print settings. Depending on your printer and computer, you may be able to adjust things like the printer selection, number of copies, paper size, orientation, and whether you want color or black and white output. Take a moment to review those settings carefully so your print comes out the way you expect. When everything looks good, click Print to send the design to your printer. And that's it. That's how to print from Canva. Once you've done it once, the process becomes very quick and easy the next time.